Well, what do you know? It's week 6. Our weekly update. Coffee is coming along. I've got my front page set up where I like it. All my nav bar is where I need it to be. And as you can see, some of the page markers are coming along. One thing I've discovered is that whatever, as I said on the document, whatever font I use, it changes depending on which web browser I use. So it looks like I'm going to go back and test and see if I use Photoshop to set up certain things that'll keep it all consistent, and then I also want to do some testing with getting the text and pictures together for products and information on the beans. I'll be working on that all day tomorrow. I may come by school just to see if I can use Photoshop there. But anyways, coming along, I will be having it back online probably in the next 48 hours because I think it's time and this is going to be easier to build the database. I do have one table, and I started building the methods to link together, and all the controllers are coming along, so it's coming right along. It's funny, now I'm not running into the major problems. What I'm running to is just little things like getting a button to link to another page. You know, it was so easy on just a plain HTML page, but now with MVC, it takes a couple extra steps, and everybody where I look, they keep telling you these drawn out paths to do it, and it gets a little frustrating, but it's how you learn. So we are on schedule. I am happy with the progress so far, and I will see you on Thursday.